Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rita and I'm the cooking nurse, and if you're new here, we do cooking videos, we talk about life, we grow through seasons, and yeah, hopefully we're able to leave a good footprint on the internet webs even longer after we are gone, and it can live to see the days we won't be able to. So if you haven't subscribed yet, be part of this family by subscribing, like, comment, share this video. You never know who needs it, and you will never know how much that means to me, because it means a lot, a lot, a lot. So we are going to be making a simple family meal. I have some rice here that is soaking, or rather washing. Not intended, I just put it in there. You can put yours without washing it. We've done it, you know it's doable. We have some chicken here. We have some pilau masala, some red onions, and that's it. Okay, some oil and heat, and we'll have a good meal. So let me show you how to do that. So you need a pan where you're going to be cooking your rice from, and then you're going to put it on fire, add some oil. As it heats up, chop some onions. You want to use enough onions, and preferably the red onions, the purple onions really. And then add them in. You need quite a good amount, yeah? Depending on how much rice you're cooking. So I'll not tell you 5 grams for, depending on how much rice you're cooking. And then fry them until they are like translucent, golden-ish. Add in your pilau masala, add in some little bit of water, a dash of water, and then you cover. So when you cover, the water, instead of being lost in the vapor, it goes back down and cooks the onions. And then, as you can see now, they've cooked down. The color has changed. We didn't add anything, and the onions are melting. And then you're going to add in your chicken, raw chicken. If you're using tougher chicken like logo chicken, like croilers or flayers, you may need to cook it ahead of time, because yeah, no one wants to be fighting with chicken in rice. Rice is already tender, so we can't be, dealing with a raw chicken. So you turn the chicken, you need to cover it, add some salt, and then once it's cooked through, you turn it onto the other side and let it also firm. We are using a broiler, so usually they are soft, and as you can see, the onions are not, I don't know if you get it. They're not like floating around. Add some more salt, because you want your chicken to be really, really, really seasoned to the bone on the other side too. And then once you're done mixing it properly and you feel like it's now firm, it has absorbed most of the flavors, crack some jokes here and there, and then go and bring your rice. If you had washed your rice, good. If you hadn't, still okay. Imagine nothing is going to change about this. So you add in your rice, depending on the family you're going to cook for, how much rice you're going to cook for that particular meal. And then you're going to add in some stock or water. So at this stage, we want to mix everything until it's all, it absorbs, that like the grains kind of get coated in the oil. And then you're going to add in water. I used, I think, about 2 cups. So I'm going to go in with 4 cups of water, and then mix one last time, scraping the bottoms. Make sure nothing is stuck at the bottom before you start cooking. Because if it's already stuck at the bottom, by the time you finish cooking this, the bottom of the pan would be burnt. And then I'm going to add in some bay leaves, and that's it. Cook for about 25 minutes, depending on the rice you're cooking, really. And that's it. Fluff up with a fork, add some coriander, and it's ready to eat. So you can serve this with a salad or a stew or a gravy. And by the way, I do offer cooking lessons in person. Sometimes you may not really grasp it online, so do make sure to reach me out on Instagram. There's always timetables and running classes, and that's it. So can't wait to see you in kitchen. And even in the near future, if you've missed this year's classes, next year we're starting as early as February. So be ready to sign up, be ready to be part of the class, and we can't wait to change our home cooking narrative. Can't wait. And if you haven't subscribed, you're getting free lessons and you refuse to subscribe for free. You should register as a parasite. Now you are taking this thing personal. Anyways, that's it. Please do subscribe. It really means a lot, and I can't wait to see you in the next videos. Bye.